Make money by shopping online coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Birdie here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 applications that you can use to make money by shopping. And before we get into the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's go on to the video. So, this is the first app that I highly recommend because I have tested it out actually. It's called Receipt Hug, and what you're gonna do is, if you are shopping on the stores that they are actually affiliated with, and you just take pictures of the receipt, and then what will happen is they will you can earn rewards like coin spin and then like a sweepstake, and then you can cash them out as a PayPal or cash cards, right? So you can make money. They give you like a cashback on every item that you purchase on these stores. So definitely check this out, guys. It's called Receipt Hog. It's available in the Play Store. I'm not sure if it is available on the App Store, but make sure to click to check this out as well. Receipt Hog. That's one. This probably a very good app that I'm actually using. And the other one is called eBay. So again, it give you like a cashback on websites that you shop online. So you can see here that you can Amazon, Old Navy, and eBay. So definitely this is a very good app that you can start. Even actually if you're just shopping, you can at least get your a little bit of your money back, right? So that's my philosophy. That's really good way for you to make money if you're just using this app. It's called Ebates. Again, it's available on the Google Play Store. You can check that out. And another one is called Checkout 51 Grocery Coupon. So again, you can just take your pictures and then they will give you a cash back. So these 3 apps are available in the Play Store, and I recommend you guys to check them out. The other one is called iSecret Shop. So basically, you're here to give your opinions on your shopping experience. So because a lot of shop owners are looking for customer feedback and they're willing to pay for it. So make sure you check this out. And it's you should see here, businesses everywhere are desperate for vital customer feedback, and they actually pay for it. So iSecret Shop is a good way for you to just give your feedback. Like if you have, if you see something that that can definitely help them on their store. So definitely and make money while doing it. So this is one app that I can highly recommend. And the other one is Qmee.com, QMEE.com. And I forget, guys, all the websites here that I mentioned, all the links are going to be on the description of this video, so make sure you check them out. So Qmee is actually one website that I'm actually using. So this is a website that you can use while shopping. Like if you go to Amazon, just searching for that on Google, right? Searching for shoes, bags, and stuff. Qmee is like they give you coupons as well, and then just see here on the website, earn when you share your opinion. So you can make money answering surveys. You're not gonna make tons of money, probably because one survey you can get 50 cents, $1, sometimes $2. So maybe in a day you can earn maybe $20 to $50 by just using this single app. So anyway, that's good extra money on the side. Also, we can earn when you shop. See here on this video picture. I don't know if you can see this. Just check this website. So every time you shop, you can see here that you can. They gave you like an ad. They give you coupon codes on the items that you're searching for. So at least you can save money there. So if you can save money, that's one way to make money as well. So earn when you shop. This is one very good. I actually see this a lot if because I just installed it on my Google Chrome extension, as you can see here. And also you can have this on an application where you can answer survey, and also earn when you search, because they also send out like ads. So you can see here. Just search the website. I don't have the zoom function on the OBS Studio, but You can, if you search just stuff on Google and like casual women's jacket, this one, they will see an ad side on the left side of the screen. So if you click on that ad, you will earn like 10 cents, 5 cents. I suggest that, this is not the easiest way, the the safest way to make money, because if you just see this and just click, 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 QME will see that, and they will probably penalize you for that. So, but the fastest way for you to make money with QME is sharing opinions with survey, and then just saving money on shopping as well. Maybe just click 1 or 2 ads per day, just to be safe, right? So this is, guys. So I really hope that you'll try these apps out, and I'm really excited, guys, that especially this Receipt Hog, it's really helpful. Even, you're actually paying for it, but at least get your cash back, right? So I hope that you will try this app out, and then if you make money from this, let me know in the comment section down below, because that motivates me, that helps me create videos like this to help people like you to make money online and to make extra money on the side. So if you got value from this video, give this video a thumbs up. If not, give this video a thumbs down as well. So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.